This is where your journey begins, the best beginner wildlife photography lens. Meet the Canon EFS 55-250 STM, a compact telephoto lens made for beginners stepping into wildlife photography. Yes, this is handheld. Thanks to its 3.5 stop image stabilization, every shot stays smooth and steady. Thanks to its compact size, it's perfect for handheld wildlife videos and movies. This lens has a STM motor for fast and silent autofocus, and its compact APS-C telephoto design lets you capture distinct wildlife with ease.